Hello children. Children, last week I have explained you unit 4 of moral science, that is be gentle. Today we are going to start with the book exercises of this lesson. So take out page number 24 of your moral science books. Let's start with question number 1, that is answer the following questions. A part is what is gentleness? Gentleness is the act of dealing with others. B part is how does a gentle person usually behave? He behaves politely, full stop. He is calm, comma, quiet and well-mannered. C part is what happens when someone gives something? When someone gives something, comma, it comes back to him. Then next question is write true or false. A part is gentleness means to be angry. False. B part is good manners is part of a gentleman. True. Then C part is what we give will come back to us. This is again true. Now let's move on to page number 25. Case studies. Here are descriptions about the behavior of a few children. Can you find out who are gentle and who are not? Now here in this exercise children, some pictures are given and along with those pictures few sentences are written. After reading those sentences you have to tell me whether the behavior of the child is gentle or not gentle. Akhil doesn't obey what his father says. Moreover, he does many things against his father's advice. Is it his gentle behavior or not gentle? The answer is not gentle. If you are not obeying your father or parents, obviously you are not gentle. So put a tick in this red star. Second is Anjana never gets angry with anyone. She controls her anger and deals with everyone joyfully. Now, can you consider her behavior as gentle or not gentle? It can be considered as gentle. So put a tick in the green star. Next is number 3. Kiran boasts of various things he has done. He loves to prove that he is the best. Now children, if you try to prove yourself that you are the best and no one can compete with you, no one is like you, you are the one of the best student in the class or in whatever field you are the best, it is not correct. You should not try to show off to others. So this is not a gentle behavior. So put a tick in the red star. Then move on to number 4. Meera is not too much depressed by failure or excited by success. She faces everything courageously. Now children, when you win something, you are overexcited. Yes, you are very happy. Obviously we feel happy, but we should not be overexcited. Or if you fail in something, that time also you should not feel too much depressed. You must feel like that, okay, if this time I have failed, next time I will try it again and I will try to work hard and then I will succeed. So this girl Meera is neither too much depressed by failure nor she is too excited by her success. So she faces each and everything, whether it is failure or success, very courageously or bravely. So this is her gentle behavior. So put a tick in the green star. So children, this was all there regarding the book exercises of this lesson. In the next video, we will do the question answers of this lesson in the moral science notebook. Thank you.